Hello guys, my name is Pukube Naledi Mamuloko and this is my assignment 6 of the module BPT 1505, an innovative educational tool that is fun and active for learners to use. So I created a spinning wheel. So this wheel, let me explain how this wheel works. So with my wheel here, learners will get a chance to spin the spoon that is colored with blue. When when the spoon picks a topic, they'll have to tell me first. They'll tell me the topic they chose. Then we are going to talk more of the topic that they chose. And on the topic, if the topic, let me, for example, we are talking, the spoon chose nouns. So we are going to, he or she is going to explain to us what is a noun. And then with this wheel, learners will be able to engage with one another because it is going to be a group work. It is going to be a group work where learners will be grouped into a groups of 5 where they can discuss and share ideas of the topic that she or he chose. Then every group will have a leader and a writer, and other people will share ideas. Then every day these learners will engage with the spinning wheel. And again, I made these colors. So if you can see, these are colors and they are also shapes. You see, I have the star, the triangle, this is the oval, I have a diamond, a square, a heart, a circle, and a rectangle. Each of these represent a topic. So when a learner, some other days we are not going to spin the wheel, but learners will get a chance whereby they can pick a color. They picked this one. This one is it? Yeah, it's yellow. This one is yellow. So when this one is yellow, the learner will pick this color. She or he will tell us that this color is yellow. And what shape is this? This is a circle shape. So this shape is a circle. Then we are going to go back to our wheel. Then on our wheel we have the punctuations with the color that is this one. So when we have the punctuations, we are going to explain what are punctuations, give broader examples or further examples of what are punctuations. And again, they will engage in activities. They will be given a chance where they make paragraphs that have punctuation marks, or I can also give them paragraphs that have punctuation marks, and they can identify the punctuation marks. Again, we are going to sing. Before singing, when the learner chooses this shape, he or she, we are going to sing, all of the class, we are going to sing shapes on the day that they will be choosing the shapes. We are going to sing a song of shapes. They will identify all the shapes that I have with all the colors that I have. Then after identifying the colors, they are going to memorize them. They should know the colors without looking at them, and they should be able to identify the shapes by looking at them, not only by writing the name of the shapes, but also identifying and showing the class that I chose this one, and this is a pink diamond. They will be able to explain that this is a black star. This is a brown heart. A brown heart is this one. This is the brown heart. Then they have a blue oval, a red diamond, a red triangle, a yellow circle, and a green rectangle. They should be able to identify these. And again, my innovative tool is made out of recycled cardboard and paper. This cardboard is the one that they bought something at the shop at my home. So I use this to make this tool for recycling purposes. As I'm also a life skills teacher, I will also be teaching the kids recycling, as it is the most important part of our daily lives. Everything they see at home, they should be able to use it for recycling purposes. So, going back to our topic, then when the learner chooses a cardboard, a shape. When the learner chooses a shape, there's a rectangle, it goes for the nouns. Then meaning that day we will be talking about kinds of nouns, types of nouns, the examples of nouns, making sentences with nouns, how nouns differ from pronouns. We are going to give different examples of the nouns. Then spinning the wheel will be a chance like winning. I think for the learners, they will also be given the learners will also be given a chance to get a prize if they choose a color and they get the color right of the cardboard. Then they will be given a reward for them. And then again, this one, the spinning wheel will be fun for them, as it will be a kind of like a game that they're gonna play, and it is going to make it is economic efficient, as it doesn't harm the children. It is safe for them to use in their daily lives, and also it will help them to engage with colors, different kinds of colors, and be able to spell. When we chose the topic on top of them, under the topic of verbs, this one of verbs, a learner will be able to say, will be given a chance to give an example of verbs. When they say a verb is sing, they will be able to do the activity. Again, a verb is a doing word. So when a verb is a doing word, the learner should be able to do what the verb says. When our verb is dance, he or she should be able to know that when we dance is how we dance is this. And then my will be able to help the kids that have what I can say, it's not really autism, but it's kind of like autism. They take long to adapt to the environmental learning. So with my will, they will be able to be given a chance to physically identify the verbs, the adjectives, and be given a chance to demonstrate how they work. And again, the learners will be singing educational rhythmic songs that literally they use at educare centers. When a learner identifies a star, we are going to sing that this is a shape. What shape is this? The learner is going to identify that this is a star. Then we are going to sing a rhyming song that has a star, that talks about stars. Then again, a rhyming song that talks about the triangles, what shapes triangles, where do we find triangles, where do we find rectangles, and where do we find the color that is on the rectangle or the color that is on the star.